We've got our thumbs up drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, in this match we have 3 rookies, an 8 and a 9-year-old, and 1 millennial. Let's see how this plays out. Autonomous, everybody has moved. That's going to be 3 points for each. There's also scoring. That's 7 points for the top row. That's 19-16. Drivers take control. It's 2 minutes and 15 seconds where the drivers are controlling the robots. They're not totally controlling it. These robots are using vision. If you look on the reef below the purple, you'll see these things called April tags. They're like QR codes. Robots can use those to help them align and locate. So some of these teams, they will just push a button for a location and the robot will be able to use its code to get there. Some of these teams have very sophisticated programs for doing it, and you can sometimes watch and figure out this is more than just a human saying where it is. It just automatically goes there, kind of like 6346 or on the red side for the Cybears. Now they've got to be careful trying to peel out that algae without taking that coral off that they just scored. It is a 5-point lead for the Red Alliance, so this is a nice, exciting match. Team 10,133. That's the Hopkins galvanized goats. No, that's the Manhattan Monsters. I beg your pardon. All these newborns look alike to me. They're just scoring into the processor. That's 6 points for that. Then another 4 points scored by the Blue Alliance for that. But that's the way you can also get cooperation and lower the threshold for having coral being scored on the reef. On the blue side of the field, we have 10-2-4-5, the Aristocrats. Currently ranked 23rd. And they are working over at the feeder station next to Eidos Dios. They're grabbing and they're scoring in the lower level, getting that filled up very nicely. And the Blue Alliance has the lead, 85-66 right now. Gus, that's the millennial of the group. Gus is 27 years old, and they're lifting up. They're getting off the ground. They're doing that end game really nicely, trying to get that ranking point. I think both teams, both alliances are going to have the ranking point with a 20-point lead. I think Blue might have this with 2 seconds left and 1 second. The Aristocrats move into the area. And final score of 101-78. The difference definitely in the coral. Red had an advantage on the algae. Neither team got that barge ranking point, though, unfortunately, but still.